Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite freezing on PC. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and go to your library. Find Fortnite in the list of installed games and click on the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, select Manage. In the Manage section, locate the installation area and click Open Install Location. This will open the folder where Fortnite is installed on your computer. Inside the installation folder, go to Fortnite Game, then Binaries, and then Win64. In this folder, find the Fortnite launcher or main Fortnite executable file. Right-click on it and choose Show More Options, then select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable the options, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. After selecting both options, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. After adjusting the compatibility settings, return to the Epic Games launcher. In the Fortnite settings menu, look for the option Verify or Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this option so the launcher can scan your installation and repair any missing or corrupted files. This process may take a few minutes, but it can fix issues that cause the game to freeze. Once the verification process is complete, launch Fortnite again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite freezing on PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.